Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to post the processes of Task Manager from getting continuously updated in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, on your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl Shift and Escape to open the Task Manager. So this is the Task Manager program. Now just select this processes, and now you will see here all the processes that is being running right now, and you can see here continuously updating its data information. So you can see here every second is continuously gets updated. So by default we don't have any such options to post all these processes. So in order to post these processes of Task Manager, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard just press and hold the Control key. So now you can see here the data informations that is being showing up in the processes options are not getting updated. As you can see, I have posted, and once I release the Control key again, so you can see it's getting updating continuously again. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily post the processes of Task Manager from getting continuously updated in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.